I'm going to show you how to do single crochets. You need to have a starting chain, foundation chain. You will need to start in the third loop from your hook. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make that a little bit looser. Make your chains a little loose for your turning chains so they're easier to work into when you come back around. So you're going to skip 1, 2, and then work into the third one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then continue to make those single crochets down to the end. All right. When you get to the end, in order to turn, you need to chain 2, make them loose. You will start in the second set of loops, not this first one that's connected to your chain, but the next one. So skip this one and work into this one. Insert your hook, draw your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and continue down your row. Okay, when you get to the end of a row, you want to be sure you work into the last stitch, your last single crochet, work into the 2 top loops, and then you will also work into the second chain of the chain 2 turn. So find a space there to go into. This is why we make them loose. And insert your hook, yarn over, pull that through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then to turn again, you chain 2, remember to keep it a little loose, turn, and you begin in the second stitch there, and you continue across. There you go. That's how you make single crochets.